Hi, my name is Joe Wiper. I'm a consultant plastic surgeon. I currently have an NHS practice here in Leeds based around major trauma and cancer reconstruction. I've been a consultant in Leeds teaching hospitals for the last 5 years. I qualified from Leeds University. I spent most of my surgical training in Yorkshire, and I spent a year in Australia learning some specialised work, mainly around skin cancer and facial reconstruction. I work here on a Wednesday. I offer lumps and bumps, moles, lipomas, some skin cancer work. I also offer some cosmetic procedures such as upper eyelid blepharoplasty, Rhinophyma reduction using the carbon dioxide laser, ear surgery such as earlobe reduction, split earlobe repair, and surgery for prominent ears such as Earfold.